New Oxford Modern English Book, Class 6, The Great Train Journey, Question Answers, Complete Explanation in Hindi. Words to know: concealed, hidden or covered up, यानी छुपे हुए होना. Railway siding, a short stretch of track for storing trains or to allow train to pass each other. Shabby, scruffy, old and worn away, पुराना हो जाना. Stationary, not moving, जो इधर उधर चल न सके, that is a stationary. Comprehension, question answers. Question number 1. How do we know that Suraj likes trains? We know that Suraj likes trains because he spends time by watching trains. Suraj waves to a passing train and keep waving until only the spiraling smoke remains, and he is wondering about the people in them. सूरज अपना पूरा टाइम ट्रेन को देखने में बिताता था और हर एक ट्रेन को वेव करता था, हाथ बाय बाय करता था, जब तक कि वो ट्रेन का धुआं बचता था तब तक के, और वो हमेशा सोचता रहता था कि इसके अंदर लोग कहाँ जा रहे हैं. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. व्हाट टाइम ऑफ ईयर इज इट? इट इज समर टाइम. द स्टोरी टेक्स प्लेस ड्यूरिंग समर टाइम. द स्टोरी टेक्स प्लेस ड्यूरिंग द समर हॉलीडेज. ये गर्मी के छुट्टियों के दिन है. क्वेश्चन नंबर 3. हाउ डू वी नो दैट सूरज इज बोर्ड? हमको कैसे पता पड़ता है कि सूरज बोर हो रहा है? We know that Suraj is bored because he has been wandering about all day. क्योंकि वो पूरा दिन इधर उधर घूम रहा था. Alone and still does not know what to do with himself. अकेला घूम रहा था, फिर भी वो नहीं जानता था कि वो क्या करे. इससे पता पड़ता है कि सूरज दिन भर बोर हो रहा था. What sort of things make Suraj curious? And how does he react to and what makes him curious? किस चीज को देख के वो एकदम क्यूरियस, उसको जानने की इच्छा होती थी. सूरज is made curious by the things that are bolted or nailed down or in some way concealed from him, such as parcels, locked room, carriage doors, crates, and he reacts by trying to see what is inside the crates. छुपी हुई चीजें, पार्सल, लॉक रूम, इन सब चीजों को देख के वो क्यूरियस हो जाता था और वो चाहता है कि देखे कि क्रेट्स के अंदर क्या है. Why does Suraj thinks that the trees are walking? The Suraj thinks that the trees are walking because he had not noticed that the train started moving. क्योंकि सूरज का बिल्कुल ध्यान नहीं था कि ट्रेन चल पड़ी है थी. What else is in the carriage? Who else is in the carriage? कैरेज में और कौन था? A man who described himself as a hippie is in the carriage. एक आदमी जो खुद को हिप्पी बताता है, ऐसा एक आदमी कैरेज में था. Next question. Where does Suraj say that he would like to go? Suraj says that he would like to go everywhere. To England, China, Africa, Greenland. And he wants to go all over the world. सूरज हर जगह जाना चाहता था. इंग्लैंड, चाइना, अफ्रीका, ग्रीनलैंड, पूरी दुनिया वो घूमना चाहता है. What warning does the man give Suraj? The man wants Suraj to keep out of the sight as he does not want to be caught. उस आदमी ने सूरज को वार्निंग दी कि वो लोगों की नजर से दूर रहे, नहीं तो वो पकड़ लिया जाएगा. When Suraj thinks about his parents for the first time, and what does he imagine that they will think? When Suraj thinks about his parents for the first time, he imagines that they will think that he had run away or kidnapped or involved in an accident. जब उसने उनके बारे में सोचा तो उसने ये सोचा कि वो उसके बारे में सोचेंगे कि सूरज कहीं भाग गया है या उसको किसी ने किडनैप कर लिया है या उसका कोई एक्सीडेंट हो गया होगा. What presents did Suraj imagine that he will bring back for his friend? सूरज क्या इमेजिन कर रहा था कि वो अपने दोस्तों के लिए क्या लाएगा? Suraj imagines that he will bring back an African lion or a transistor radio for his friend. More difficult questions. When Suraj thinks about his parents' reaction to disappearance, he feels a few different emotions. At first, he imagines he will become famous for his disappearance. This shows that he finds the idea exciting. Later on, he feels sorry for them because he realizes that they will miss him. Why do you think the man was on the train? The man had been sleeping in the carriage because it was comfortable, safe, or perhaps he was trying to get a free ride. Next question. How does Suraj feel after the conversation about getting to China? Suraj does not react immediately to the conversation about getting to China, but he is thinking about the skills he does not have. After a while, he thinks he is not really sure that he wants to go to strange and new, far away place. Why doesn't the man tell Suraj that the train takes a circular route? The man doesn't tell the Suraj that the train takes a circular route, as he can see how excited Suraj is about going in a journey, and because he knows Suraj will be safe, so he allows him to enjoy his adventure.